Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. So a few hours ago, Pokemon Journey special preview get released which showcase some scenes of upcoming Winter Sinnoh arc, in which Dialga and Palkia is going to appear, and we will also see parallel world concept with Dawn and Cynthia joining the group. So today in this video, I'm going to break down the new special preview and will discuss everything we know so far about it. But before that, I want you guys to like the video and subscribe the channel to get more this type of related videos in future. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, I already wants to conclude that first I will break down the special preview in short and then I will discuss some plot in detail. So now the special preview start with a parallel world Dawn holding a Piplup. Then next we saw our universe Dawn looking surprised and maybe trying to find her Piplup. After that we saw Ash and Go, in which Ash is on a call with Dawn, and most probably Dawn is saying Ash that her Piplup is missing. Then we saw some area's location on Professor Sari's lab where parallel universe portals keep opening. Then we saw a frame of Mount Coronet, and I don't need to remind you guys that Mount Coronet is the place where Dialga and Palkia is said to be found. Although then we saw a frame of a park, which to be honest we don't know which place it actually is. However, this arc is going to be based on Sinnoh region, so most probably this place will located at Sinnoh. Then we saw Cynthia on a library, and I think maybe she is searching something about all this parallel world problems. Next we finally saw a parallel universe portal, and from the background it seems to be at Mount Coronet. Then we saw Cynthia, Ash and Chloe on that library, where as I said before, that they are searching something here. Then we saw a shot of Palkia, which quickly changed with the scene of Ash and Chloe. And then we saw the shot of Dialga, which again changed with the scene of Go and Dawn. So I think most probably, Ash and Chloe will encounter Palkia first, and Go and Dawn will encounter Dialga. After that we saw the gang in a parallel universe most probably, where it seems some big fight had happened previously. Then in the next scene, we could see the gang going out of the parallel universe, or maybe going to any other parallel universe. Then in the next scene we saw our universe Ash meet with the parallel universe Ash. After that we saw the gang looking at something seriously. However, out here I noticed that Ash is having a Pichu with him. So I think most probably, Pikachu will become small in this parallel universe. Whatever, with all that the frame change, and we saw Dialga and Palkia is fighting with each other. However, we could clearly notice that they are fighting inside a ring-like structure. So I think maybe something had happened, or someone had did something with them, due to which they are inside this ring, and fighting with each other. Whatever, in the next scene we could see both the Ash, riding on Flygon and seeing the fight of Dialga and Palkia. And out here we could also see extra detail that Infinite is too standing here. Although some people are thinking that it's Ash, and in a way they are definitely true. But it's not of our universe Ash, but it's actually that parallel universe Ash Infinite. Still, I'm happy to see that we will at least see Ash Infinite return in this Sinnoh arc. Now in the next scene we could see the gang looking up to some floating eggs. However, I still don't know that what those eggs are actually about. So if anyone have a theory about it, so let me know in the comment section below. Then we saw Ash and Go surprise looks, and I think it's most probably going to be the time when they will come to know about parallel universe. And after that we could see parallel universe Team Rocket, who definitely seems to be very high-tech kind of. As in the next scene we could clearly notice that they are trying to catch Go Inteleon and Ash Lucario. Although in the next scene, we could see Ash, Go and Dawn, with a parallel universe Dawn. And I think it's most probably going to be the time when they will encounter Team Rocket. Then we saw Piplup using Bubble Beam and Cinderace using Pyro Ball. Which then frame change, and we saw an awesome clash between Meowth and Garchomp. And it clearly seems that this high-tech parallel universe Meowth is going to give a good fight to Cynthia Garchomp. Then we saw the gang riding Flygon and Aerodactyl through the parallel universe. After that we saw Pikachu falling from sky, and from the background it seems that it's going to be the time when they were battling against Team Rocket. And now the frame changed, and we saw the gang becoming small, or you can say becoming kids. Since it's maybe happening because of the clash between time and space, as the preview also ended with Dialga and Palkia. So wow, it's definitely was an awesome preview to set up a ground for upcoming Sinnoh arc. Since we had come to know that the story will start with Dawn Piplup get kidnapped by someone. And with that some other Pokemons also started to disappear from all over Sinnoh. And some mysterious parallel world portals started to spot it too. So I think it's absolutely going to be amazing to see the parallel universe concept in Pokemon. Also, it seems to me an amazing concept that everyone started to become kids in the parallel universe because of the disturbance of time and space. Now at last this Winter Sinnoh arc is going to start from 3rd of December. However, we don't know currently that how many episodes this arc will contain. That means we have to wait for some more details about this arc, so be sure to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get updated about upcoming events of the series. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts about this upcoming arc. Now at last, as always, if you guys like to interact with me, then you can follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.